Everybody get your fucking hands up.
Intro. Are you bright enough to bring in cash online with Google? Are you even interested in recognizing how to earn online? Maybe you'll be if you know that a few individuals bring in great money online with Google and Clickbank, and furthermore they do it from home. But there are a lot more who fail miserably. All the same, it's not precisely about being bright, it's more about mental attitude. The chief factor that differentiates those who discover how to earn online, the achievers, from the losers is that the achievers are geared up to work at it. They don't trust the get-rich-quick hype. They simply continue building on their small successes till they look around and discover they've learned how to earn online in big quantities, and they have a little empire in the making. Do you believe they're smiling? This guide will set you on the correct road. How to do keyword research. There are lots of tools and techniques that can be used to find great keywords. Keywords that will blast your competition out of the water. Here we will look at one strategy. Choosing your techniques. Google Keyword Tool. We all have an astonishing gratis tool at our disposal which instantaneously shows us demand. It's known as the Google Keyword Tool. To utilize this tool, merely enter a word or phrase, and click on the search button. The Google Keyword Tool will then exhibit you the term you introduced, along with a lot of other related terms. Google may effectively demonstrate demand as they put out the global monthly searches for the various terms in the Google search engine. Utilizing the Keyword Tool to get keyword ideas. You are able to search for keyword themes by entering a keyword related to your line of work or service, or a URL to a page bearing material related to your line of work or service. Or, you are able to go directly to filtering keyword categories next to the statistics table. You are able to utilize one or the other or both collectively. The tool is entirely flexible depending upon how you would like to utilize it. Things to attempt. Click on Advanced Options to additionally fine-tune your search, for instance, by area, language, or mobile search. Relevant classes will come out to the left. All the same, you are able to click on Show All Categories to look at all the categories you can use. Your relevant categories stay highlighted. Choose or deselect the keyword match type checkboxes below the usable categories to further fine-tune your search in the main web browser pane. Click on the Columns button above the Resultants table to custom make the columns you see inside your results information. Further keyword ideas utilizing categories or related terms. After you initially submit keywords or a URL to the Keyword Tool, further keyword sets will come up beneath the usable keyword categories. They'll include common keyword sets that bear the original keyword, in addition to terms that contain both synonyms and terms related to your keyword or URL lookup. Further keyword sets will come up at a lower place the keyword categories after you've submitted a search utilizing keywords or a site URL. If you submit simply words or phrases for your search, standard keyword sets that bear the original keyword you put in appear here. For instance, you might put in the word watches. Your keyword group resultants include keyword sets that contain the term watches. This might include the keyword set ladies' watches and gentlemen's watches. These terms both bear your input keyword. Further terms. If you put in both words or phrases in a site URL for your search, further keyword sets might come up. These are all potential terms that bear all of your keywords in any order, including synonyms, They might likewise include terms that are associated if you have submitted a site URL. For instance, if you put in the term, ladies' hats, one other word may be, beach hat, which doesn't contain your precise keywords but which is related to ladies' hats. This tool includes the following advantages. Discover the most relevant search information from the original keyword tool and the search-based keyword tool. Look for keyword ideas utilizing any combination of keywords, a URL, and categories. Keep particular keyword ideas while you look for fresh ones, by placing stars in your results. Download picked out or starred keywords, all keyword outcomes, or all keywords for particular queries. Opt to see statistics for mobile search, and filter out your results by lookup volume, global monthly searches, and so forth. And competitor types. Equate statistics for your keywords with one or more match sorts at the same time. Gauging competition. Have you ever attempted to optimize your internet site for Google and other search engines, only to be unsuccessful at accomplishing the desired outcome you were after? The majority of online marketers sooner or later discover themselves to be rather frustrated with their shortcomings of search engine success. Several will simply choose to give up and engage in other methods of traffic. Sadly, this is, much of the time, an error on their part. The majority of online marketers fail to understand that merely one uncomplicated alteration to their approach to search engine optimization could dramatically improve his or her outcome. You may be asking, what is that one uncomplicated alteration? Simple. The answer is keywords. Online traffic success hinges on the keywords you select, and the majority of marketers choose the incorrect ones, which inescapably steers you towards failure and wasted time. Importance of keyword research. Luckily, selecting the correct keywords is a rather elementary and straightforward process. You are not required to be a search engine optimization master, and you are not required to expend a great deal of time, funds, or effort. In this content I will demonstrate to you how to choose the correct keywords to receive the best possible organic search engine rankings, thereby ensuring a costless stream of highly targeted traffic to your internet site. Prior to beginning with keyword research, we will answer the question, how come search engine traffic is so important for internet site possessors? Here are some of the key reasons. Search engines put together are one of the most immense traffic generators around the world. Search engine traffic is composed of extremely targeted traffic. Organic search engine traffic is costless. Furthermore, organic search engine traffic requires very little upkeeping and produces small amounts of headaches. When you've gained lead rankings for your cache words, we will specify this term later on, your rankings, oftentimes, will continue for great periods of time. This implies that you aren't required to continuously stress over falling behind in your rankings, thereby allowing you to aim more positive energy towards additional prospects of your business. As well, holding top rankings in Google and additional search engines is a beneficial situation for both you and the search engines. This is why Google would like to provide people with the most relevant search results possible. Google succeeds when it can supply prime, relevant search results. Those who explore on Google succeed when they discover internet sites that yield to them the info they're looking for. You succeed by targeting the correct keywords and delivering your website to the top of the organic search results, therefore gaining the attention of those who are searching for the very subject or niche you are marketing. So in the end, everybody acquires what they desire. What could be better? With that stated, let's move into the heart and soul of keyword searching and how you are able to utilize it to direct clouds of costless search engine traffic to your internet site. First of all, what is keyword research precisely? Simply put, keyword research is the substructure of online marketing. If you have knowledge of what phrases or terms your purchasers use to discover data in search engines, you will recognize how to grasp them. You will see precisely which keyword phrases you should concentrate on so that your marketing attempts harvest the most payoffs. I am certain you have heard the famous marketing tenet: discover what people desire, then provide it to them. The trouble is, nobody genuinely explains how to execute this. That is where keyword research comes in. It allows you to determine what people genuinely desire. By being aware of precisely what keywords people are utilizing to search, and by understanding how to pinpoint those keyword phrases and terms, you will be able to rank at the top of Google's organic search results at any time you wish. Now we will explore a couple of the primary approaches to keyword research. Do a self-examination and ask yourself if you fall under either or both of these categories. Targeting the most eminent search volume keywords in your niche, targeting only long-tail keywords in your niche. Although both of these techniques are basic, neither of the pair is ideal. First of all, we will take a look at high search volume keywords. These oftentimes are keywords that are merely a few words in length, such as pink roses, or simply the term flowers. Yes, it perhaps might be a profit-generating market, but becoming ranked for such short keywords can be quite complicated. The amount of additional websites targeting or contending with you for these keywords is frequently tremendous, so even if you do pull through to the top of the organic results for these keywords, somebody is constantly biting at your heels, attempting to remove you from Google's top page. It is a non-winning situation. You will constantly be contending for the top pages, constantly marketing to remain in the top rankings where others may discover you. Long-tail keyword targeting as well bears severe drawbacks. These are terms, words, or long phrases consisting of between 4, 5, or more words inside any granted keyword phrase. For example, pink flowers mature best in organic soil. The trouble with long-tail keywords is that they capture small amounts traffic, if any, from month to month. You are recommended to target and keep up high-ranking results for hundreds, if not thousands, of keywords to bring forth adequate traffic to continuously maintain a profit-generating internet site. That is a great deal of hard work. Producing material for that many keywords is time-depleting and may be very pricey. That leads us to a master of techniques for executing keyword research: targeting cache words. This approach analyzes keywords in a more scientific manner. A cache word is a keyword that consists of really high search volume, high numbers of people are searching for the keyword from month to month, and really low competition in the search engines. Small amounts of internet sites are targeting the keyword. The profits of targeting cache words are plenty. You will accomplish multiple first-page ranking in Google's organic results in the matter of weeks, and occasionally even within days. You will spend minimal effort. Your site ranking will adhere to the top of the organic search results like crazy glue. All of this leads to long-term, automated traffic.